the dog pounds of Ireland. He's Mad Dog O'Malley. Never let him catch you in a dark alley. From the dog pounds of Ireland. He's Mad Dog O'Malley. Never let him catch you in a dark alley. A champ at MEFW defeated Morgus the Maniac. Teamed up with Joe Thunder, they won the tag team belt. He went to MCW Alliance with Goofball Carmichael. He even beat Cactus Jack. You better watch your back.